Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am making bread kebab. It's yummy. Please try, like and share and subscribe my channel. Now let's start. I am using 10 pieces of bread. Take one bread slice and dip into water and squeeze water with your hand carefully. Now it's done. Add half cup cabbage chopped, half cup coriander leaves, half cup chopped onion, half cup chopped tomatoes, half cup chopped capsicum, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon whole spices powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add half teaspoon of salt because I am using salted bread. Now give a good mix. Now it's ready to cook. In a hot pan add 4 tablespoons of oil and spread kebab with the help of spoon. Cook for 3 minutes each side on low flame and don't flip again and again. After 3 minutes, turn the side carefully and cook again for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, it's done. Take out from the pan. Now yummy and delicious bread kebab is ready to eat. Try it, love it and eat it and tell me how it is. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.